Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi, dear class 1 student. I think all of you are fine and you are enjoying your online classes. So, today we are going to creative class, and today our topic is sequencing picture, or you can say picture sequence. So, before that, I want to recall you that what was our last topic? Our last topic was picture composition. I think all of you have been practicing this topic. I mean writing about picture. So what is sequence? Sequence is order of any events in a story, or you can say order of doing something, or order of any actions. These are the steps actually that you need to follow. You have to follow with the correct order. Then what is picture sequence? Picture sequence is it's a steps, or it's a series of some photos, series of some images that may tell you about a story, or it may tell you some activities in a correct order, or you can say it's also some steps of doing something but using photos. So before doing something more about sequence, that how you have to write something, we need to know about sequencer. So what is sequencer? We will know, and I'm going to teach you all about that today. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the words. You can see that steps. These are the words: first, next, then, after that, and finally. These words are called sequencer. You can call these words sequencer. So when we use sequencer, when we tell any story, then we give some instructions or some guideline to somebody, such as how to do something, how to make a cup of tea, how to make a sandwich. Then we need this sequencer. Okay, so what are the words? You have to always keep in mind these 5 words: first, next, then, after that, and finally. So students, these are the words, 5 words, I mean what we call sequencer. We use this sequencer to talk about any steps or order of doing something. You already understood, I think. And you know that sometimes we tell someone to do something. We tell them some guidelines, and that time we give them some list of things or lots of steps. This sequencer, I mean first, then, next, after that, and finally, these words help them to arrange the steps according to order, I mean correct order. Okay, now the students, I want you all to imagine, I want you all to think about your daily activities. I mean what you do from morning to night. This is actually, we should say that order of daily activities. And you think yourself, and by this time I will talk about one of our students. I will see, or we will listen to him, that what is his daily activities. Let's. Okay, Ahyan, can you please share with us about your daily activities? I mean what you do from morning to night. What are your daily activities? What do you do?
Every day, first I wake up at 6:30 in the morning and I brush my teeth. After that, I get dressed and eat my breakfast, and then I go to my school. After finishing my school, I come back and take shower and eat my lunch.
Okay, then what you do?
Then I sleep for some hours, and in the afternoon I play for some times, and then I study.
Okay, in the evening you study. After that, what you do?
After that, I eat my dinner, and
finally
I go to my bed.
So these are
my daily activities.
Okay, thank you, Ahyan.
Thank you.
Okay, student, I think you have listened very carefully Ahyan's daily activities. And did you notice that Ahyan have used those sequencer? I mean first, then, next, after that, because he was sharing with us about his daily activities in a correct order. I mean, what comes first, what comes next, what he does first, and after that what he does. He was sharing with us according to correct order, one after one. Okay, that's why he used sequencer. Now, I will tell you about the uses of those words. I mean, when you will use first, when you will write next, then, finally. So, let's see. So, students, how we will use these words in your writing? Okay, so first means first. That means that's how you have to start your sentence. If you want to tell about your story or some guidelines, okay, then you have to write first as first. Then number 5, finally. Finally means the ending. That's how you will end up your story. The last line you can write finally. This will be last. Then in the middle there are next, then, and after that. So here next you can write as third number, and after that you can write as second. That means next, then, and after that you can write interchangeably. I mean, you don't need to follow any order. You can write in any way. Okay, now we will see some other examples that will be done by our students Ahyan. Okay, Ahyan, what you have to do now? I have written some daily activities what you have shared with us, and there are some boxes. You have to put the number to sequence the order of your daily activities. Can you do that? Let's try. Okay, so these are the order of daily activities. Can you see? Here are some activities, but it's not in correct order, not in correct steps. You have to make it proper sequence. But how? You have to put the number to make it sequence the daily activities. Let's start it.
Waking up at 6 o'clock, it's number 1.
Yes, this is first. Our daily activity
Brushing
starts
teeth,
with this.
it's second.
It's number 2. After that,
Getting dressed, it's number 3.
yes.
Eating breakfast is number 4.
Yes, very good. Then what you do?
Going to school, it's number 5.
Yes. So after
Then
coming back from home,
Taking
coming back to
shower
home.
and having lunch is 6.
Number 5. Yes, it's 6. Yes, sorry. It's number 6. Then
Eating dinner, it's 7.
Finally,
Going to bed, it's number 8.
yes. So our daily activities over. Thank you, Ahyan.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, student. Now come to the picture sequence. What actually today we are going to learn. So we will see a picture. You see, there are 4 pictures. A boy, and what is he doing? He is, in this picture, actually he is sleeping. And this picture, what is he doing? He is yawning. That means he is feeling sleepy. Here, the boy is listening to his father. I mean, his father is telling a story. And the last picture, what is he doing? He is brushing his teeth. So what do you think? These pictures are according to order? No. These are actually his night activities. And you have to think that what the activity he does first at night. What do you think? Yes, after having dinner, first he brushes his teeth. Everybody we do this. So you have to put the number here. As this is his first task, so you have to put number 1 in this box. And after that, after brushing teeth, he is feeling sleepy. So this is number 2. Then what does he do? Then he goes to bed and his father tells story. This is number 3. And finally, he just sleeps. Yes, this is number 4. These are all about picture sequence. So students, this is all about today's class. But we have so many things left to discuss or talk about. But we will do it in our next part. I mean our part 2 class for picture sequencing. Till then, you have to stay tuned with us and you need to practice at home. Okay? That's all for today.